Saft Oskarshamn is the only factory in the world who both manufactures and recycles nickel-cadmium batteries. It's an in-house recycling technology specific for nickel-cadmium batteries.
Saft operates a network with over 30 bring-back points worldwide. We collect batteries from Sweden, Finland, Norway and the UK.
Oskarshamn reclaims the nickel, cobalt and cadmium for reuse on site. Steel, copper and plastic containers are sent to third parties for recycling. Electrolytes are purified on site, and at the end of the process, the remaining metal levels are lower than the legal thresholds imposed on drinking water.
Nickel-cadmium batteries are very robust batteries and can operate at high temperatures or even low temperatures, and much more important, give a long life. We talk about 20 years of life. So that kind of robustness brings a lot of benefits for our customers and much more important, peace of mind.